Let's begin with light and color theory. In 3D environments, understanding how light interacts with surfaces and how colors are perceived is crucial. Different light sources emit various wavelengths, affecting the color and appearance of objects they illuminate. Next, let's explore shading models for realistic texture and shadows. Shading models simulate how light interacts with surfaces to create realistic textures and shadows. These models include techniques such as Phong shading, which calculates smooth highlights, and physical-based rendering, which mimics real-world light behavior for lifelike results. Lastly, let's discuss lighting techniques. In 3D environments, various light sources can be used to illuminate scenes effectively. This includes point lights, which emit light in all directions from a single point; spotlights, which focuses light in a specific directions; and ambient lights, which provide overall illumination to the scene.